SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off or restart iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you want to turn off or restart your iPhone 14, then there's a couple of different options that you have. The first option involves pressing and holding the volume up button and the power button at the same time. It looks like this. Now you're going to see this screen, and to turn off the iPhone, you would then just need to drag the slider to the right, and then your phone's going to power down, which is going to take a few seconds. And once everything is turned off and the screen is gone completely black, then you can restart the phone by pressing and holding this power button. And once you see the white Apple logo appear on the screen, you can release the power button, and then the phone will continue booting up as normal, and you'll be able to sign into your phone by entering your passcode on the lock screen. Then once this finishes booting up, so we're signing back in. And now the second way that you can shut down your iPhone is through the Settings app. So you just need to tap this Settings icon here. Then you can scroll down and you can select the General option. Then you're going to scroll to the bottom of this menu and you can tap the Shut Down button. That's going to bring up this screen, and to turn off the phone, you would just drag that slider to the right again. Now the final option that you have for turning off or restarting your phone is something called a force restart. This is an option that you're only going to want to use if your phone is frozen or unresponsive. So to do a force restart, you're going to press and release the volume up button, press and release volume down, and then press and hold the power button. It looks like this. Now you're not going to see this screen if your phone is stuck or frozen. It's just going to stay on whatever screen it was on. But after a few seconds, the phone is going to power off, and then it's going to restart. And when you see the white Apple logo appear, then you can release the power button, and then the phone will continue booting up as normal.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.